Okay, let us try to find the derivative of y is equal to tan inverse ax plus b plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are constants. Okay. So dy by dx would be 1 by 1 plus ax plus b by cx plus d whole square, and d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. Right. Now this is equal to differentiation of ax plus b by cx plus d. B. Now this is now when you simplify the first part of it, so we get this as cx plus d whole square divided by, now this in the denominator will have cx plus d whole square plus ax plus b whole square, right? So multiplied, this is cx plus d, okay, cx plus d, differentiation of ax plus b will be a minus you'll have ax plus b, differentiation of cx plus d will be c. So this divides by cx plus d whole square, right? Okay, now then after simplifying this, we get AD minus BC by AX plus B whole square plus CX plus D whole square. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Okay, so this is dy by dx would be sine becomes cos, and this will be square root of x by 1 plus x square, right? And d by dx of square root of x by 1 plus x square. Now this is equal to cos of square root of x by 1 plus x square, okay, and multiplied 1 by 2 root x by 1 plus x square, right? And d by dx of x by 1 plus x square, right? Okay, and now further this will be equal to this is cos, right, of square root of x by 1 plus x square. Now goes to the numerator, so that becomes square root of 1 plus x square by 2 root x, right? And multiply 1 plus x square into 1 minus x multiplied 2x. This whole thing divides by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay. Now then, after simplifying this, we get as cos of square root of x by 1 plus x square multiplied 1 minus x square divided by 2 root x and to 1 plus x squared to the power of 3 by 2, right? So this is the solution. Okay. Now let us solve one more problem. Y is sine inverse x whole square multiplied log of x plus square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is dy by dx is sine inverse x whole square. Okay, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so this is 1 divided by 1 divided by x plus square root of 1 minus x square multiplied d by dx of x plus square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, now plus, and now we'll keep a log x plus minus x square, right, multiplied, this will be 2 sine inverse x, right, multiplied d by dx of sine inverse x, right? Yeah. Further, this will be sine inverse x whole square divided by x plus root 1 minus x square multiplied 1 plus by 2 root 1 minus x square d by dx of 1 minus x square, right? Now the next term would be plus 2 sine inverse x, okay, and log of x plus root 1 minus x square, right? So this whole thing divides by square root of minus x square. Okay, so which is equal to sine inverse x whole square divided by x plus square root of 1 minus x square, okay, multiplied minus x by square root of 1 minus x square, right, plus, now you have the second term, which is 2 sine inverse x, right, and this is a log of x plus root 1 minus x square, right? So this whole thing divides by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, yeah. Further, which is equal to sine inverse x whole square and square root of 1 minus x square minus x divides by x plus root 1 minus x square and square root of 1 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse x and log of x plus 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square. So that is the solution. Okay, we'll find a few more problems to find the derivative. So if f of x comma y is x cubed plus 3x y square minus sine y plus 5 is equal to 0, let us find what is y dash. Okay, solution for this. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is 3x square plus, we have x and y term here, so this will be 3, okay, and x plus 2y dy by dx, okay, plus y square, differentiation of x is 1 into 1, right, minus, this is cos y, and this is dy by dx, and the constant which is 0, which is equal to 0, right. Okay, so now that further this is 6xy minus cos y into dy by dx, which is equal to minus 3x square plus y square, okay, or dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus y square divided by 6xy minus cos y. Okay, so we got what is y dash here. Okay, let us solve one more problem. Now given f of x comma y is y cube plus 3yx plus 3 e to the power of y minus 2, which is equal to 0. We will find dy by dx here. Okay, and differentiating this with respect to x, so we get dy by dx, this is f dash of x comma y, okay, which is this is 3y square dy by dx plus 3 multiplied y into 1 plus x into dy by dx, okay, plus 3 multiplied e to the power of y into dy by dx, since with respect to x, which is equal to 0. Okay, so let us take dy by dx common, so we get y square plus here 3 can be removed, y squared plus x plus e to the power of y multiplied dy by dx, which is equal to minus y. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to minus y by y square plus x plus e to the power of y. Okay, so this is the solution. Now let us try to solve this y is equal to x to the power of x. Now by taking logarithms on both sides, we get log y is equal to x log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, this is 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x into 1 by x plus this is log x and multiplied 1, so we get 1 plus log x. Okay, and this implies dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus log x, which is equal to x to the power of x 1 plus log x, right? Now let us see another problem, that is y is equal to sine x to the power of x square. Now taking logarithms on both sides, we get log y is equal to x square log of sine x, right? Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy by dx. This is equal to x square. Differentiation of log sine x would be 1 by sine x multiplied cos x, because differentiation of sine x is cos x. Okay, and then plus log sine x, log of sine x, and this will be 2x. Okay, so we get this as x square. This will be cot x plus this will be 2x log of sine x, right? Okay, now you get dy by dx, right, is equal to y. So y is let us substitute it. Y is sine x to the power of x square multiplied x square cot x plus 2x log of sine x, right? Okay, let us look at another problem. So again, taking logarithms on both sides of the equation, log y is equal to this is cos x multiplied this is a log of 3x to the power of 4 plus 5, right? And differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy by dx, which is equal to cos of x, and this will be 1 by 3x to the power of 4 plus 5. Okay, this multiplied into this will be 12 x cube, right? Okay, close the brackets, and plus have a log of 3x to the power 4 plus 5, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, and further this will be 2x cube cos x by 3x power 4 plus 5, right? And minus sin x log of 3x to the power 4 plus 5, right? And dy by dx will be y. You're supposed to put it back, see, that is 3x 4 plus 5 to the power of cos x, okay, and 12x cube cos x divided by 3x power 4 plus 5 minus sin x log of 3x power 4 plus 5 plus the brackets. Okay, so let us move on to another problem. So let us find dy by dx. If x is given as a cos cube t and y as a sin cube t, right? So x is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin cube t, right? Okay, now let us find what is dy by dt. Okay, so which is a multiplied 3 sin square t, right, and differential of sine becomes cos t, right, and dx by dt, this would be a multiplied 3 cos square t multiplied cos is minus sin t. Okay, now we want to get what is dy by dx. Okay, so that would be 3a sin square t cos t divided by minus sign here 3a cos square t and sin t, right? Now after simplifying this we get as minus tan t. Okay, let's look at another problem. Find dy by dx at theta as pi by 3 for the function x is a theta minus sin theta, okay, and y which is a 1 minus cos theta, right? Okay, here theta is the parameter, so let us first find what is dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is a multiplied this is a constant which is 0, cos is sine, and then this is sin theta, so which is a sin theta. Okay, so dx by d theta, right, which is a which is 1 minus cos theta, right? So dy by dx will be a sin theta by a 1 minus cos theta, right? Okay, now sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, right, and this is 2 sin square theta by 2, right, this is cot theta by 2. Okay, Now at theta, which is pi by 3, right? So dy by dx, where theta is pi by 3, so this becomes cot pi by 6, which is root 3. Okay. Okay. Let us move on further. Now if we have x as t square and y as 2t, let us find what is dy by dx, right? So dx will be dx by d theta would be dt would be 2t, and dy by dt will be 2, right? So dy by dx will be 1 by t, right? Okay. Okay. Now let us find d power 4 y by dx power 4 if y is x to the power of 9. Okay, and second we'll solve as y is sine 4x, right? We'll try to solve this. Okay, now so let us take the first problem. Y is equal to x to the power of 9. So dy by dx is 9x power 8 d square y by dx square. This gives us 9 multiplied 8, so that is 72 x to the power of 7, and d cube y by dx cube. So this gives out to be 504 x power 6 and d power 4 x y by dx power 4, 3024 x power 5. Okay, let us look at another problem when y is sine 4x. Okay, so again dy by dx is 4 cos 4x and d square y by dx square. Now this is 4 multiplied again 16, so minus 16. This is sine 4x. Okay, and d cube y by dx cube, so 64. This is cos 4x, and this will be 4y by dx power 4. Now this is 256 plus, and this is sine 4x. Okay. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. Now let us solve some of the problems related to successive differentiation. So to find the fourth derivative, of 1 by 3x plus 4, right? So let us solve that. Okay, d power 4 y by dx power 4 is minus 1 to the power of 4 multiplied 4 factorial multiplied 3 power 4 divided by 3x plus 4 to the power of 5, or this is 8 multiplied 3 power 5 divided by 3x plus 4 to the power of 5. Now let us find the seventh derivative of y, which is cos 6x sin 7x, right? Now y will be by 2 sin 13x plus sin x, right? Now y power 7, the seventh derivative, that is d power 7 y by dx power 7, right? So that would be 1 by 2. This is 13 power 7 sine of 13x plus 7 pi by 2, right? Plus sine of x plus 7 pi by 2. Okay, so this would be equal to 1 by 2 after simplifying. So this is minus 13 power 7 sine pi by 2 minus 13x, right? Minus cos x, or this would be equal to 1 by 2 minus 13 to the power of 7 cos 13x minus cos x. Okay. Okay. Now let us find the equation of the tangent, okay, and normal at the point 2, 16, right, on the curve, so which is y is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 6. Okay, let us solve this. So y is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 6. Now dy by dx will be 3x square plus 8x minus 1. Now slope of a tangent at 2, 16 will be this will be 3 multiplied 4 plus 16 minus 1, which gives out to be 27. Okay, the equation of the tangent, that is the formula is y minus y1, okay, is equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1, right? So this will be y minus y1 is 16 we just found m value, that is 27. So now since it is yeah, so it is m, right? This is m, right? Hold on. This is m. Okay. 27 multiplied x minus 2, x minus 2. And the slope normal is minus 1 by 27. So and the equation normal to 2,6 is y minus okay, put this y minus 16, it is minus 1 by 27 into x minus 2, which is equal to x plus 27y, which is 434. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Let us see this for the curve y square is equal to 16x. Let us find the length of tangent, length of normal, okay, length of sub tangent, and length of subnormal. Okay, corresponding to the point 1, 4. So let's see the solution for this. Okay, we have on differentiating the equation that is y square is equal to 16x, so this would be 2y with respect to x, so 2y dy by dx, which is equal to 16 or dy by dx is 8 by y. Okay, now dy by dx at the point 1, 4, right, it is 8 by 4, which is 2, right? Now length of tangent, which is y by y dash, okay, square root of 1 plus y dash square, okay, at 1, 4, so that is 4 by 2 square root of 1 plus 4, that is 4 root 5 by 2. Okay, now length, let us see length of normal, which is y square root of 1 plus y dash square. Now this is at again 1, 4, so that is 4 root 5. Now let us find the length of subtangent, okay, which is y by y dash at 1 comma 4, which is 4 by 2, right, which is 2. Okay. So you can simplify it to root 5, right? Okay. And length of subnormal y dash at 1 comma 4 okay, now let us try to solve this problem. Now the curve which is 2y square is x cube, and when you differentiate with respect to x, we get that as 4y dy by dx is 3x squared, okay. And then dy by dx is equal to 3x squared into 4y, okay. Now m1 would be the slope of the tangent at 8 comma 16, that is 3 multiplied 8 square, right, divided by 4 multiplied 16, right, which gives 3. Okay, we got the slope of the tangent at 8 comma 16. Now let us consider another curve, that is y square is equal to 32x. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get as 2y dy by dx is equal to 32. Okay, now this gives dy by dx is equal to 16 by y, okay, and let m2 be the slope of tangent at 8 comma 16, which would be 16 by 16, which is 1. Okay, now if theta is the angle between the two curves at 8 comma 16, so tan theta is equal to 3 minus 1, right, divided by 1 plus 3 into 1, right, so which gives us 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. So now the theta is tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay, so let us move on to the next problem. Okay, let us find the solution for this. Now I'll denote x as a side of the square sheet, and a denotes the area, so we get a is equal to x squared, which is squared, so square, right, so it is x squared, so keep that equation as 1. Now differentiating this with respect to t, which we get as dA by dt, which we have to determine, right, So that is equal to 2x dx by dt, right? So now the rate which we have been given is 2.5 centimeter per minute, so that will be 2x multiplied 2.5, so that is 5x. Okay, now when x is 9 centimeter, when x is 9 centimeter, so dA by dt, we get that as 5 multiplied 9, so which is 45. Okay, so this will be the square centimeter per minute. Okay. The rate of increasing the area at x is 9. Now let us look into mean value theorem and using or Lagrange's theorem, right? So let us solve this. Okay, let us verify the mean value theorem, okay, for the function f of x, which is 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 in the interval 1, 3. Okay, let's see the solution for this. So f of x being a polynomial where x is continuous and differentiable in R, and f of 1 is 3 minus 7 plus 2, which gives out to be minus 2, and f of 3, right, over the interval 3, right? So f of 3 would be 27 minus 21 plus 2, which gives out to be 8. So f of 3 minus f of 1, so this is 3 minus 1, so this gives out to 8 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 5. Okay, so f dash of x would be 6x, right, minus 7, right, differentiating with respect to x for the f of x, which is 3x squared minus 7x plus 2, and f dash of c is f of 3 minus f of 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 5. Okay, now 6c minus 7, which is 5, right? Now we get c value as 2, which lies between 1 and 3, right? So it is interesting to note that the point C is the arithmetic mean of 1 and 3, right? So okay, so this is 4 by 2, which is 2, right? Yeah. Okay, now let us look one more problem to verify the mean value theorem here for the function, which is f of x is sine square x. Okay, and a being 0 and b is pi by 2. Okay, let us solve this. Now f of x is continuous and differentiable over the interval 0 comma pi by 2, and f of 0 is 0, right, and f of pi by 2 which is equal to 1. Okay, now f of pi by 2 minus f of 0 divided by pi by 2 minus 0, so this goes out to be 2 by pi. Okay, now f of x is sine square x, so f dash of x will be 2 sine x cos x, which is sine 2x, right? And by mean value theorem, f dash of c, which is f of pi by 2 minus f of 0 divided by pi by 2 minus 0. Okay, so this is 2 by pi, right? Now now we got as sine c 2c, which is equal to 2 by pi, right? And this implies c is 1 by 2 sine inverse 2 by pi. Okay, and note that c is 36 degrees, and therefore c lies between 0 and pi by 2, right? C lies between 0 and pi by 2, that is 36 degrees. Okay, that is, yeah. Now let us use L'Hopital's rule here. Okay, L'Hopital's rule here. Okay, let us evaluate limit as x tends to 0 sine 5x by sine 9x. Okay, now f of x is sine 5x and g of x is 9x. So when you substitute x as 0, so this reduces 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form. Okay, when x takes the value of 0. Okay, so therefore by applying L'Hopital's rule here, so limit as x tends to 0, differentiation of 5x is 5 cos 5x divided by, this is 9 cos 9x. Okay, now by applying x as 0, we get 5 by 9. Okay, so let us look at another problem. As limit x tends to 0, e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x divided by sine x. Again, by substituting x as 0, we get 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. Okay, now by applying L'Hopital's rule here, now this is limit x tends to 0, this will be e to the power of x, and this is plus e to the power of minus x. divided by cos x, right? Now by applying x is equal to 0, we get 1 plus 1 divided by 1, which is 2. Okay, let's look at another problem. Is limit x tends to 0, x minus sine x by 5x cube. Okay, now when you substitute x as 0, okay, so you get this as 0 by 0, which is indeterminate form, and by applying L'Hopital's rule, here we get limit x tends to 0, this is 1 minus cos x divided by 15x square. Again, when you apply x as 0, so you get 0 by 0. Again, differentiate with respect to x by L'Hopital's rule. So limit x tends to 0, so this would be, cos becomes sine, so plus sine x divided by, this is 30x. Again, this would be 0 by 0. So again, differentiating with respect to x, this would be cos x by 30. So when you put x as 0, so I get 1 by 30. Okay, now let us look at another type of problem here. To find the limit as x tends to 0, this is a log tan x by log tan 3x, right? Now when you put as limit x tends to 0, right, we get as infinite by infinite, which is indeterminate form. So again, by using L'Hopital rule here, limit x tends to 0, so log of this becomes 1 by tan x, and tan will be secant square tan x, right, and multiply 10. So this divides by 1 by tan 3x, and this is secant square 3x multiplied 3. Okay, so we separate it now. 10 by 3, which is constant, multiplied limit. Now we'll take secant together, so secant square tan x by secant square 3x, right, as x tends to 0, multiplied limit x tends to 0, so we'll take tan 3x by tan 10x, right. Now as you put x is equal to 0, this gets okay with it, so we get 1. Okay, but we are not okay with when you put x is equal to 0 for tan 0, if it is tan 0. Okay, again differentiating with respect to x. Okay, we get limit x tends to 0, so this is secant square secant square 3x by secant square 10x this is 3 by 10, right? So this, when you cancel out, we get as 1. Okay, let us look at another problem. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus e to the power of 2x, mod 3x. Okay. Now when you, as limit x tends to 0, so this is 1 minus 1 multiplied infinity, which is 0 multiplied infinity form. Okay, and or which is indeterminate. Okay, or we can, even if you find 1 minus e to the power of 2x by tan 3x, you get in the form of 0 by 0 form when x tends to 0. So by applying L'Hopital rule here, so this is minus 2 e to the power of 2x divided by this is 3 secant square 3x. Now